Hello dear children. In this video, we are going to discuss the questions and answers of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Here, I have brought some sample answers for you. You will just take the ideas from these answers and then will form your own answers in your notebook. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 1. Where does the traveler find himself? What problem does he face? Answer is the traveler finds himself at a point where two roads diverge. His problem is to decide on which road he should walk. Question number 2 is discuss what these phrases mean to you. Number 1, a yellow wood. Number 2, it was grassy and wanted wear. Number 3, the passing there. Number 4, leaves no staff had trodden black. And number 5, how way leads on to way. Now let's see the answers of these phrases. The meaning of first phrase is a forest in the autumn season. Okay. Meaning of number 2 phrase is the road was grassy because it was a less traveled road. It wanted people to move on it. Meaning of phrase number 3 is it implies walking on the road. Number 4, it means the leaves had not been crushed under the feet of travelers. And number 5 is how one road leads to another. Next is there any difference between the two roads as the poet describes them in stanzas 2 and 3 in the last two lines of the poem? Answer is there is no difference between the two roads in stanzas 2 and 3. In the last two lines of the poem, the poet tells that the road he opted for is less traveled by. Next question is, what do you think the last two lines of the poem mean? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept it? Answer is, the last two lines have the quintessence of the poem. The poet expresses his opinion that it becomes difficult for a normal human being to change his or her decision. The poet intends to walk on the first road, but he couldn't do so because life does not offer multiple chances to choose. The decision taken may make one's future or lead one to success. Okay? It makes all the differences. He now repents for not getting a chance to travel on the first road. Now, next question. Have you ever had to make a difficult choice? Or do you think you will have difficult choices to make? How will you make the choice? For what reasons? This question may have multiple answers because the question is for you. Let's see the sample answer. Such situations occur in everyone's life. In today's world, people have numerous alternatives, but the decision should be taken after considering all the ins and outs of the situation. We must ruminate over the disadvantages also. Okay, ruminate means think over. Next question is, after you have made a choice, do you always think about what might have been, or do you accept the reality? This question also may have multiple answers because the question is for the individuals. Okay, the answer, sample answer is one should live in the present and not in the past. The philosophy of is the key of attaining success. Life is not a bed of roses. Its hurdles are to be crossed bravely. One must not feel nervous and get dejected in the trying circumstances. On some instances, one needs to be confident about the choice he or she makes. Okay, so dear students, these all are the answers of the question from the poem The Road Not Taken. Please watch the video, try to understand the sample answers, and then write your own answers. Thank you.